I am founder and editing director at Amakhosikazi Media. We also go by Women's Media for Development Foundation. Our work is to tell women's stories, basically. We use multimedia platforms, social media, YouTube, blogging, podcasts, just to share women's stories on development. Development is our main focus because we realize that without women accessing their basic service delivery needs, health needs, education needs, then we will not develop as a country. So that is our main focus. So, but today is not about me. Today is about all of you guys. And I've been asked to come in and facilitate an introductory session. So I've introduced myself. I'm sure you guys in this group don't yet know who's who and what you guys do. So I'd want us to maybe start introducing ourselves. I'd sent a message in the WhatsApp group asking that each of us have something creative to use to introduce themselves. I started receiving videos, or rather I have one that was sent to me that I can share with you guys on WhatsApp for you to watch and get to know one of the participants. But who would like to go first, introducing themselves? Because from those introductions, we'll all get a feel of what each one is into, what their expectations are before we get into the actual objectives of this program. Anyone volunteering to go first, you can put your hand up. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and just pick randomly.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay, and you are?
My name is Novio Ngube, and I have a YouTube channel that goes by the name Noxy Royal. And I also create content based on stories that are engaging and interactive to get to learn more about people's opinions and understand them. So I also am passionate about writing, and I prepared a short poem for you guys just to stick to the 3-minute timeline. The poem is titled Holy Rebellion. I am not sorry that I couldn't conform. I could not stay silent and I could not stay strong. I am a rebel for that, for refusing to forgive you, for trying to taint my precious soul. For God so loved the world that he took me away from your wicked ways. He carved me into a diadem, and now the color purple is my sanctuary. So you can't tame a woman like me. I am not yours to fathom. I am a masterpiece in the potter's hands, and lucky for me, I was broken. Now my heart is made of gold, and I've since become the most beautiful piece on the shelf. The value of an object, gentlemen, is not in its beauty, but in its imperfections. You are so beautiful, and I wish you all the best in your holy rebellion. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that.
Who else wants to go next, guys?
Okay, my name is Melody, and I am the former editor of Untitled 263, a magazine. I am a woman, I am an African. I hail from the city that never sleeps. I live in the city where everyone is always in a rush to go somewhere. I make love with words, words know my name. The pen is my weapon, as I give you a glimpse of all things that life is all about. From the wonders of staying alive to the thrills of stoppies and to the sounds of musical notes. I am a woman, I am an African. I give life to my imagination. I seek for ways to walk in this endless mile of possibilities. I yearn for enlightenment of my mind with more weapons other than my pen.
Confessions of an artist. My work is where my heart is. They say that it don't work, but they know I'm gonna do it regardless. There are people that believe in me and people that believe in me. Never been the one for crowds, cars, or the jewelry. My words are very few, but my work is very loud. I do this art thing like it's do or die. I won't stop until I make my city proud.
My name is Elsie Mutaka. You guys can just call me Elsie or you can call me Else. Yeah, so I had looked at the item that you had sent to the group, so I'm just gonna follow that, just answering the questions. So I was born and bred in Mutare. I learned there my primary in high school. I did my tertiary education in South Africa. Currently, I am based in Harare. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and I'm so excited to be here.
Hi, everyone. My name is Rutendo. You can call me Tendo. And I think I'm just a storyteller, really. It's something that I've been realizing more and more as I've grown older. And it's something that I've traced back to probably my grandmother. She was an avid storyteller, very animated, very exaggerated. So I think I get most of my storytelling love and passion from her.
I'm Amanda. I'm a content creator. I do visuals, I do podcasting, I do writing. That's my passion. Looking forward to basically collaborating with more people and getting to know all of you.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for the hosts and everyone involved. My name is Bill Masuku. I am a comic book artist and writer. I am the author of the Misfortunism series, as well as Razor Man, Captain South Africa, and Welcome to Dead World. I'm 28, kind of funny, but who knows? Zimbabwean based in Harare. I have worked with a couple of brands over the years, including Haifa, Litfest, Olotaku Magazine, the British Council, Twig, Kogali Media, and many, many others. I was highlighted last year as DC Fandom's young up-and-coming comic book artist from Africa. One of my most prominent characters, Captain South Africa, is a Xhosa woman in traditional garb. I wish you could see the visuals. I really like this outfit. And yeah, the expectations that I have coming into this is basically just keeping my expectations as low as possible, because I think that's where I get the most pleasantly surprised.
So I'm Tandile Lisa, but people know me as Tandy, or Tandy_263. I am an Instagrammer and somewhat a photographer as well. I like to refer to myself as an aesthetics curator or creator because I love telling stories through aesthetics on Instagram and just showing people my part of life and what I get up to. And I think, yeah, that's about me. I'm 25. I'm in Joburg. I'm in between Nairobi and Joburg, and I think I signed up for this so that I feel like, especially for most people who are in Zim, there's so many places and so many experiences that can be showcased through photography, and just showing people what you can do, like without a budget, and the type of content that can come out of Zim. So I am definitely looking to collaborate, and yeah, please give me a follow on Instagram. Yeah, that's about me.
Hi guys, my name is Rumbidzai, aka Skittles, from a podcast called Nai on Nai and the Other Guys.
Okay, so I was born Tembelihle Terilin Zulu, well, now one day. My expectations from hashtag eMoyeni is to be inspired on new ways of digital storytelling and interacting with like-minded creatives. I'd like to share my own experiences and help other creatives in their own line of work. And I just love a good creative brainstorming sesh.
Now that we all know each other and we have a feel of what everyone is into, I hope you guys are beginning to also think about who you'd want to work with or what ideas you may have around the kind of creative spaces you guys are in. I wish I could share, maybe I can share this on WhatsApp. I'll definitely put it up on WhatsApp. And approach that I wish all of you would take as you get into this journey, things that you could think on. So it's a triangular approach to your creativity. So the tribe has three dimensions. On the one side, it has you as the content creator. So I'm going to share a diagram of that. Well done for you guys to follow. So it has you as the content creator. On the second dimension, it has your audience as the consumers of your content, the creations that you guys have come up with. And on the third side, you have your medium as the platform through which you share your content. So your medium is your link between you and the audience. But now you have to ask yourself the five basic questions of journalism. I'm a journalist by profession. So I've since learned that these 5 W's and H work everywhere in any profession. So it's the what, the who, what, when, where, why, and the H, which is the how. And then on the other dimension with your audiences, who are your audiences? How old are they? Are they young? Are they old? Are they youths? You know, are they educated? Do they get a formal education? Do they go to college, for example? Do they live in the urban areas? Can they access the internet? Because this is a multimedia space. Are they, so who are they? Where are they? Are they in urban areas, in rural areas? Are they online, offline? If they are online, but maybe on WhatsApp or offline, maybe you need to message them. So how are you going to reach out to them? You know, what do they like? You know, what is their profile and their spending habits? For example, would your audience go and buy food at a food court like Chicken Inn, or they'd want to go somewhere fancy, and therefore your content has to consider, for example, what language do they speak? I mean, are they your young slang kind of English people, or they want your local dance hall music, you know, Kasi, or I don't know in Harare what you guys call Kasi life, you know, like Yombare, but these are urban youths, but, you know, still very much in touch with their roots somehow. So how would you approach that kind of audience? And then how would they access your content? Would they access it on the phone, on the laptop, on an iPad? Would they listen on the radio? If it's a podcast, they need to download it somewhere. So please be able to answer those. And finally, your last dimension is your media. Your medium. What is that medium? Where is it found? So it's 5 W's and the H. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. For you as a creative, your audience as the receivers, and your medium as the platform. So basically, guys, that is our introductory session.
That maybe people should post up their social media handles, because even when everyone has introduced themselves, I can't really recall everything they do. So I'd like to take time to go through their work, even on social media. So maybe if you can open up the group for us to share our platforms, so we can start following each other and checking out each other's content, so we can actually have time to select who we want to work with, how we want to collaborate, because I can't really remember every single detail that people said.
Thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure and an honor to meet all of you. And I look forward to meeting you in future sessions. Hey? So have a great weekend, and let's keep in touch on the WhatsApp group, right?
Same to you.
Thank you so much.
Feel free to inbox me if you need anything. I'm right there on the chat. Just reply to my messages, and we can chat more if you need any more clarifications.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you,
guys. Yes. All the best in your creativity. Bye.